What's up guys, my name is Tony and today we're going to be doing a look at the Lululemon Metal Vent Tech 2.0 sleeveless in like a seafoam colorway. Now, I was able to pick this one up on the We Made Too Much section, so I got a really good deal on it. It is good to note that I do work for Lululemon. I do have to disclose that before I start. I work for their head office downtown Vancouver. And I wear an XL across the board. So if you do want to know my measurements, they are in the description down below. This will be super simple. Let's go try it on. Okay, so here is the Metal Vent sleeveless. Now, I don't know if I'm a really big fan of this color on me personally. I always stick to my earth tones and stuff, so this is very out of my comfort zone. However, I did pick it up because it was on sale. It feels like you're not even wearing a shirt. Like legit, it feels like you're not wearing anything. This would actually be one where I might consider sizing down. I do feel it is a little looser than some of the other extra large stuff I do wear. So for the tank style, maybe even a large would help pull it in a little more this way, which I might like as well. So this would be one I would definitely consider trying on in store and seeing if you would like to size down. But either way, we will show it off for now. So yeah, there you guys go. This is my new workout shirt. I'm wearing it every day working out, and it's incredibly comfortable as you would expect. Now, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Dudes Love Lulu will be the #1 source for all things male Lululemon on YouTube very, very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.